Hello children, welcome for today's biology class. So today let us continue the chapter respiration in plants. The topics going to be covered are lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. Okay, so now let us go inside the chapter. So already we studied in previous part the steps in glycolysis. At the end of glycolysis, pyruvic acid is formed. The formed pyruvic acid, they can undergo three steps, three different ways. So first is lactic acid fermentation, alcoholic fermentation when there is no oxygen is available, that is anaerobic method. In other is aerobic respiration. So today we are going to study regarding lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. First let us study what is fermentation. This fermentation is uncommon in higher plants, but it is common in microorganisms. It occurs outside the living cells also. Living cell is not essential for some of the fermentation. It occurs as temporary phase under anaerobic conditions in higher plants, and it also occurs as temporary phase in microorganism also. This anaerobic, this type of fermentation will occur when there is no availability of oxygen, that is anaerobic conditions. During fermentation produces energy, the released energy will be 2 ATP, very less. Heat is generated, it is toxic also. It occurs in absence of oxygen in many of the prokaryotes and in unicellular eukaryotes also. The end products are ethanol and carbon dioxide. So here incomplete breakdown of glucose occurs. That's why the energy produced is less. These are the major pathways of anaerobic respiration. So here glucose, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, then pyruvic acid. Up to this we studied in the previous part, that is steps in glycolysis, breakdown of glucose. Then later the pyruvic acid, it can either do lactic acid formation by means of anaerobic method, or ethanol, alcoholic fermentation, or lactic acid fermentation. Okay, so during this, so pyruvic acid converted into lactic acid, or it can be converted into ethanol. Now let us study the differences between these two. Lactic acid fermentation, it occurs in single step. It takes place in 2 steps. Here only one enzyme is used, lactic dehydrogenase along with zinc plus. So here 2 enzymes are needed here, pyruvic decarboxylase along with Mg plus and alcohol dehydrogenase. It produces lactic acid from pyruvate, it produces alcohol from pyruvate. So here in lactic acid fermentation there is no release of carbon dioxide, here release of carbon dioxide occurs. And this one occurs in bacteria, some fungi and vertebrate muscles. Even in our body also lactic acid formation occurs under anaerobic conditions. This alcoholic fermentation, it produces alcohol. It does not form any intermediate compound. So here it forms acetaldehyde as intermediate compound. Okay, so here when you observe lactic acid formed in our muscle, it can be once again converted into pyruvic acid during resting condition, and it can enter inside aerobic respiration under availability of oxygen. But alcoholic fermentation, alcohol formed is not reversible, it will be as such, it will be there. Okay, so these are some differences between lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic fermentation. This diagram also you practice children, it can be asked in 3 marks, and differences also you can learn, it can be once again asked in 3 marks. Okay, so today we are concluding up to this. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.